Assalamu alaikum to all. I am Sanobar Sario. Today my presentation topic is about importance of English. And after then, first of all, what we think. We think that what is English? In our mind, first question arises that what is English? English is a language in our primary source of communication. It is method through which we share our ideas and thought with others. And after then, some people even said that language is what separates us from animal and make us human. There are thousands of languages in this world. Countries have their own national language in addition to a variety of local language spoken and understood by their people in different regions. Some languages are spoken by millions of people, other by only a few thousand. After then, uh, in our mind, question arises: why we learn English? Because uh, English was originally the language of England, but through the historical effort of British Empire, it has become the primary and secondary language of many former British colonies such as the United States, Canada, Australia, and India. Currently, English is the primary language of not only countries actively touched by British imperialism, but also many business and culture spheres dominated by those countries. It is the language of Hollywood and the language of international banking and business. As such, it is a useful and even necessary language to know. Globalization covers aspect of life. Deep understanding is very important in our field. Without proper communication, it is not possible to be in connection. About 380 million people consider English as a first language. Two-thirds of them prefer it as a second language. In addition, billions of people are in the process of learning. Various predictions and they are by 2050, half the world population will be trained in English. Therefore, it is important to know how English will unite people. It is the universally accepted language. And here, the figure of English speaker by country, percentage of country population. And after then, here the reason to learn English. First of all, it is essential to work, and after then, it is a universal language, and it will open the door of new culture. You will travel comfortably if it is the most learned language. Art and Anglophone literature eliminate weakness. The power of English language. People know the importance of it, and this is why this language is taught as a basic language in every state. Speaking internationally, it would be really difficult to prosper in the world without knowing English. When it comes to globalization, the first language that comes to mind is English. To create a world of ethically responsible, equable, and tolerant, the English language plays a key role. You can get from each field even in business, communication with customer and other delegates, it is very important to exchange and share our thought and innovation. And after the English is an international common tongue. There are several factors that make the English language essential to communication in our current times. First of all, it is the most common foreign language. This means that people who comes from different countries, for example, a Mexican and a Sweden, usually use as a common language to communicate with others. This is also called a lingua franca. That's why people need to learn the language in order to interact at international level. Speaking it will help you communicate with people from countries all over the world, not and also in Pakistan. Here are the 10 language by number of speakers by native and non-native. And first in number first there's English. And after then English also useful for education. Education is also essential to field of education. In many countries, children are taught and encouraged to learn English as a second language. Almost 90% educational subjects are written in English. Even in countries where it is not an official language, such as in Netherlands or Sweden, we will find many syllabus in science and engineering are written in English because it is a dominant language in the sciences. Most of the research and studies you find in a given scientific field will be written it is as well. At the university level, students in many countries study almost at their subject in English in order to make the material more accessible to international students. And after then, English is also useful for travel and business. With good understanding and communication in English, you can travel around the globe because it is extremely easy to communicate with others. international language for foreigners. English skill will also help you in any business organization. You will see the importance of English. Any big company will hire their professional staff after getting to know whether the people they are hiring are good at English or not. Companies who want to function at an international level are considered staff. And after then here we discuss about resources make learning English easy. Although many people think what is very difficult and confusing, English is actually the easiest language of the world to learn because there are so many resources available. As soon as you decide you want to learn, resources on the internet and in bookstore. I'm not just talking about lesson grammar book. You can supplement traditional learning material with children's TV show and books. I suggest watching as much TV as you can in English with English subtitles and will you pick up conversational English into it. Internet entrance. On the internet, most websites have written content in English. Even sites in other languages book are written in English than any other language, and no matter where you are in the world, you can find international material of English language easily. Thank you.